Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable subtitles on the Tekken 8 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tekken 8 game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu, from which you can directly start your preferred matches. Now, from the main menu, you can click on a gear icon to end up within the settings page. In order to enable subtitles, you will need to go into audio settings. Now, if you are within a match, you can tap on the B button within your keyboard or press the start button on your joystick to pause the game. From here, go into sound options. And now at the very end, you will see the subtitles menu. You can set this to on or off depending on whether you would like to enable or disable subtitles. After choosing your desired setting, you can go back to the game and your option will be applied right away. You can change this setting at any time in the future as many times as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on or turn off subtitles on the Tekken 8 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.